juicy.
Fucking sick motherfucker.
Say you love it juicy.
You love it juicy.
Say I love it juicy.
You love it juicy, motherfucker.
Say it.
Fuck you, man. Back the fuck
Say
up.
I love it juicy.
Back away.
I love it juicy. I love it juicy. I
You
love
love
it juicy.
it fucking juicy.
Tell me you fucking love it juicy. Yeah. Come on.
You.
Tell me you love it fucking
You
juicy.
sick fuck.
Wish that owl would shut the fuck up.
You know what Thoreau said about the owls?
I bet he wished they would shut the fuck up.
I rejoice that there are owls. Let them do the idiotic, the maniacal hooting for men.
Yeah, well, I'm real glad you're having a hoot of your own over there with your authors and animals and shit, but with all due respect, bro, I don't care how smart you are or how much you know, unless what you know is how to get me the fuck off this goddamn maple tree without getting shanked by those sick fucks. No offense. Eat your berries.
I'm eating my berries.
Eat your fucking berries. You want some cream for those berries?
I don't want any fucking
You
cream.
want a little cream for your berries? I'll give you some cream. Watch it. Watch it.
If I wasn't fucked up, I would beat the living shit.
I'm standing right here, tough guy.
Yeah, my knee's fucked up. Put your pants back.
What's that, your knee? Ah! There's the other one. You got a girlfriend? I had a wife. It was a year ago. This week. It's been a long week. A long year. But it's no excuse. I'm sorry.